River Point in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am visiting this community built by True Homes. This community is already, guys, in its second phase, and the community is brand new and it's already in its second phase. So that means that properties are selling rapidly, and for the price, I can understand why. This home right behind me here is the model called the Linux and is currently selling base price for $263,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a giant loft area and an optional study area. So guys, you see why this home is selling so quickly. So I want you to give me a call and so we can come schedule a tour of this home together so I can make sure I can get you into this property. Come with me. Hi friends, welcome to this beautiful home. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, but check out this optional study which could be converted into another bedroom essentially if you wanted it to be. So this optional study is very nice, it's very spacious, and it's very lit. Like the windows are absolutely lovely. It brings ample natural light into this space. Right now the space is converted into a study, but you can actually make it, you have the option of making it an additional bedroom if you so desire, to make this home a 4-bedroom home. Let's check out the rest of the house. Alright, and so right off the bat, when we walk out of the study, we walk into this lovely dining area. And I just absolutely love how intimate this area is. With the circular table, I think that just is the perfect touch to this area because it gives that community feeling, and especially the chandelier. Who doesn't love that? That is absolutely so beautiful. And then we're heading over to the living space. Picture you had your television or TV mounted up there, and then you would just gather around and sit around with your family and enjoy this beautiful living area. I know I would love to just, take a seat and then watch some TV right on the screen right in front of me. Another additional touch I love are these 2 little side windows here. You guys already know I am a lover of natural light, so anything that adds more light, I absolutely adore it. So you have these 2 big windows here, and then you also have the 2 little ones right in front. And then we come into, yet again, another dining area. So you have the option of 2 dining spaces. This one can be a little bit more of a formal dining, or if you want the other one to be a bit of a formal dining, it all just depends on you. But this space can house a rectangular table, it can house a farmhouse table, a circular table, whatever you wanted it to be. You have that option to truly play around with this space as you wanted it to be. Alright guys, so let's go outside and check out the nice patio area, which you have the option of covering it if you wanted to. You could just cover it here and have a nice shaded area in which you can just sit out, enjoy yourself, and you can even barbecue out here. How lovely is that? And then we head over to our kitchen area. The kitchen area, it comes with all stainless steel appliances. And I love these light fixtures and this island with the sink right in the middle. That's something you do not see much of. And like with the sink, for example, if you're washing dishes, whatever you're doing, you're able to still keep an eye out, for example, on the TV or what's going on in the living space, and just kind of be aware and not necessarily seclude yourself. And I absolutely love it. I wish my house had this, but we all can't be that, I guess, lucky. So this does come with an electric range stove rather than a gas cooker like some of the other True properties do that I've shown in the past. And all of these would convey with your purchase of this home. And this home, guys, the base price for this home is about $236,000. But with everything, with all the upgrades and everything like that, you would be looking at roughly about $267,000. So the half bathroom, guys, is actually downstairs here. And this is the half bathroom down here. This is the half bathroom here in this space. It's a bit dark in here, but essentially you get the idea of the half bathroom. And you have, this is where, this would lead out to the garage. This home has a 2-car garage, as I mentioned before. And this just leads out to the garage area, which is a bit dark. All right, so let's go upstairs and check out the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Oh my goodness, guys, check out this loft area. This loft area actually can also be converted, if you wanted to another bedroom, making this yet again an optional bedroom. But check out how big this area is. I love the lights. I love the windows, the natural light. And if you didn't want to be disturbed downstairs, this would be the perfect area to just hang out and just have your privacy. You can also make this an office space if you needed it to be. You can put your desk right there as you see, or you can just play around with the space and get as creative as you wanted to with this space. We are going to start here with one of the other bedrooms up here. So this bedroom has been set up to be a cool, fun space, which I love, and very spacious closet, a walk-in closet actually. And the window that brings in the natural light. You know what? I actually just love the color scheme in here. It's just very modern and just very crisp, if you may. So I love this bedroom. It's very nice. All right, let's go check out the other one. Oh my God, guys. This bedroom already, you can tell it's going to be one of my favorite. Why? Because it has 3 windows. 3 windows. Oh my goodness. I wish I could just throw myself on this bed, but we're not. And this bedroom is just so full of life. The colors are amazing here. I personally love it. And this closet seems to be a little bit bigger. So it actually extends all the way further in as well. As I mentioned, guys, this home will not last long on the market. This is already the 2nd phase of this home. So if you're interested in purchasing this home, you need to come down here right now. This is in Charlotte, North Carolina, and with the price, with the low 200,000 price, this community is going off the market. It's selling rapidly. So let's go check out the rest of the home. All right, check out this bathroom. How cute is this? Hello, sunshine. I'll be your sunshine on a cloudy day. How about that? I love it. I absolutely love this bathroom. It's so nice and so clean. All right, let's go check out the master or the owner suite. So this owner suite is actually very nice. It's one of my favorite in this community. The layout of the owner suite. It has the 2 big windows, which you guys already know. I sound like a broken record at this point because I love the light. And this is like a little ensuite in itself because it has its own little hallway. And we walk down here. It has its own little hallway, which leads into this massive closet space, which essentially, in my opinion, it could be a whole room on its own. All right, so let's go down the hall and check out the bathroom. So I love this bathroom because of the double vanity sinks that we have here. You already know from my other video, I am a lover of this. Even if it's for you and your spouse, for you and your partner, whatever it is, I just love me some space as well. So I like the double vanity. And I love the wood, guys. This is real wood on here. The wood trimming just adds a bit of a more sophisticated look to this bathroom. And I love the colors, the lighting, everything in here. And another thing I really like is the tub shower. It's like a garden tub. I absolutely adore that, and I like the tile walls that this shower has. All right, so let's go check out the laundry space. And here we have the laundry room, where you would be able to put your washer and dryer or flipped. And there's also a folding space on here in which you would be able to fold your clothes. And for pet owners, this is actually a very good spot as well for you to like leave the crate, leave the food bins, like the cups and everything here in this area. I've seen that happen. Hello friends, thank you so much for choosing to tour yet again another property with me. So this home here is located here in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a base price of $263,500. If you are interested in viewing property similar to this or any property for sale in North or South Carolina, I want you to reach out to me. You can find my contact information listed below, or you can simply visit my website at victoriaao.costellorei.com. I look forward to seeing you guys during the next home tour.